Now, instead of a Santa rally, global stocks are witnessing one of their worst Christmas seasons on record. The US government shutdown and fears of a global economic slowdown have slammed Wall Street and even Asian markets that were open on Christmas Day. There were a couple of them. Our Hyo-sun reports.
Stocks around the world are tumbling on fears about the government shutdown in Washington and the global economic slowdown. Asian markets that opened on Christmas Day also suffered, with Japan's Nikkei dipping below 20,000 for the first time in 15 months. It plunged at the open on Tuesday by more than 5%. The fall followed U.S. stocks, where all three of the major indexes fell by over 2% on Monday. This is the first time the Dow, S&P 500 and Nasdaq have dropped by over 1% on Christmas Eve in over 120 years. Experts say the government shutdown and President Trump's attacks on the Federal Reserve have eroded investor confidence. Market analysts also forecast a prolonged economic slowdown, which will affect investor sentiment going forward.
Investors are very fearful that the growth of the U.S. economy and the global economy are going to slow down a lot next year and the year after that, and that there could even be a recession either in the U.S. or for the entire world economy.
While most Asian markets were closed for Christmas Day, the downturn also affected China's benchmark Shanghai Composite Index, which opened lower and tumbled more than 2% in the morning. It's also left to be seen how the bearish market will affect South Korea, especially as its benchmark Kospi is only about 50 points above the psychologically important 2,000 line. Kim Hyo-sun, Arirang News.